So Stanley's already been to his peeing before lunch, and we're feeding him his lunch a little late because he has his FOP lesson. So I just want to show you how I get a puppy off to learn how to ring the bell if they no longer need to go, because the client's going to need to know this when they get home. So what I'll do is I'll put something outside the door that the puppy wants. In this case, that's his lunch. It could just be food of any point. I can't see if the camera can see that there. There we go. I have a food bowl in my hand. I'm going to put it just outside the door. I'm not let the puppy get to it right now. Alright. So, now to get to his bowl of food, puppy Stanley has to ring the bell. And sometimes I'll leave the door open a little bit. Stanley, you want to go outside? Come on. Stanley, outside? No? Here it is. Where's your breakfast? And your lunch. Want to go get it? What's out there? How do we get out there? No. Nope, I have it open too. How do we get out there? Come on. No, not with the head. Good boy. So I think you can quite see Stanley. I wish I have a good... Ah, Shayna, no. I have other dogs in here. We're also very interested in Stanley's food. We're just interested in Stanley right now. Stay. Good boy, Stanley. Stanley, let's go. Oh, good boy. And every time he rings the bell, I open up the door right away. Leave it, everyone. Shade it down. Force down. Force down. No. No. Okay, I'm just doing it at this angle of the door just to get a better video quality, because the light in the mudroom, even with the light on, is bad. I'll take little Stanley and we'll put him outside again. Wait. Okay, you don't have to eat it that fast. Forrest, down. Down. Stay. Just so you know, if I can't hear the bell, I'm not going to open up the door. Back out. So basically the main thing is you want something on the other door. This is just one way to do this, by the way. You want something on the other door that the puppy wants if you're doing this at a time that the puppy doesn't need to go to the bathroom, but you're introducing them to a new door, a new part of the house, like the owners will be doing today when they take Stanley home. And probably doing this with his dinner tonight would be good. And there you go.